ួស្រាំងបងអូននេះតោះនាំកូនមកញ៉ាំគុយទាវហាងគុយទាវនេះជិះប្រហែលជា20នាទីពីផ្ទះខ្ញុំហាងគុយទាវគឺថាហាងគុយទាវវៀតណាមបងប្អូនហើយហាងហ្នឹងយូរក៏ទៅឡើងជិន20ឆ្នាំហើយដែលខ្ញុំធ្លាប់មកញ៉ាំគឺថាតាំងពីនៅកំមុំរហូតដល់មានភាសាហើយប្រខ្ញុំអត់ស្គាល់ហាងគុយទាវហ្នឹងទេខ្ញុំណែនាំហាងហ្នឹងវាតូចហើយតម្លៃវាថ្លៃសំគុយទាវ
Yeah. I'm hungry. So where's Daddy?
ហៅមកញ៉ាំគុយទាវគឺឈើមកចង់ញ៉ាំ
Could you believe?
នេះមនុយវាមកចឹងទៅឲ្យសភៅគេឲ្យសភៅទូមួយទៅយើងគូសណាយើងគូសដាក់លេខប្រហែលនេះគូសដាក់លេខប្រហែលអញ្ចឹងណាគេគេវ៉ាន់គុយទាវគោដាក់គុយទាវគោម្នាក់មួយចានOh, 29 that's for me
29.
yeah 29 as well yeah thank you
Oh,
oh
these two 29.
that's deluxe right yeah that's fine thank you that is the well done right we'll put some bean sprout stuff no Vincent Oh, now the spoon. Where the spoon?
Over there.
He likes it. Thank you.
Look what Daddy got. Delicious water. See who's gonna win. Either Cheche or Vincent.
I think it's already halfway through. It's still on the top layer. Which one is enjoying the food?
Mỗi đêm hột tòm màu này.
The little man.
Đây ba cha mòn bẩm phồng. Đây đôi khi pa cho mùi nâng pa cái cho mùi nâng cồn bự.
That's the new Nicholas.
Oh, that's mine. That one. Yeah. See how you like it cooked. What's that? How is that good?
Thank you, Buddha. Thank you, Buddha. Thank you, Buddha, for the food that we're about to receive. Amen.
Thank you.
ហើយមួយឈុតនេះសាច់គោរុំជាមួយនឹងស្លឹកម្លូវាស្លឹកអីគេនេះរុំវាជាមួយបាញ់ហយមានទឹកត្រីអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយនឹងបន្លែប្លុកហើយនឹងមានសបកគួងនេះមាន
What is he eating? They're so good. What is he eating? He just ate something crunchy. But there's nothing crunchy.
បន្លែអញ្ចឹងមកយើងដោយសារគេដាក់ប្រេងនៅក្នុងខ្លាញ់មើលទៅពេលចំអិនវាអញ្ចឹងមកដាក់មួយបង Yeah, I was like, there's no way that's what you do. ដៃរុំដៃមួយ នេះ
Well, they're just like black. I don't really want to eat the rest.
Sure.
Drink some tea.
បុធីទៀតបាបុធីនេះបាបុធីពីកំប៉ុងទៀតផឹកទាំងអស់ខ្ញុំផឹកទាំងអស់ដាក់តិចផឹកតាមតិចឲ្យលួយខ្ទេចអស់ហើយអានេះTaroរសជាតិ Taro
Just smush it. Can we normalize keep plastic straws inside?
នេះក៏ឆ្ងាញ់វាដូង
You are a turtle. Okay, this bush looks so cool.
ឆ្ងាញ់នឹងពីរ Got it here.
Jimmy.